Hey, so welcome back, and this is another daily code problem. So today I thought I would show you rank scores. So essentially here, all that you want to do is you're given one table called scores, where you have the particular ID or the primary key of the table, and then you have the score for that ID. And so essentially all that you want to do is you want to output the scores in descending order, so highest to lowest, and then you want to give it a rank associated with it. But the main catch here is that whenever you have a tie break, they're both going to have the same rank, but then the value that comes after is kind of maintaining that ordering. So though there's two people in first place, the third person ranked will still be in second place. Okay, so this is known as dense ranking. So dense rank, and it's actually a Windows function on MySQL. There's also rank here that you can use, but the difference here is when you have two people that come in first place, then the person that follows will then actually be in third place. And so that second place kind of no longer exists because there's two people in first. Okay, so to do this, all that we want to do is first we're going to select our score, and that's just from the score column, and this is all coming from our scores table here. And then we're also going to be outputting the rank, but because it's a keyword, you have to take care of that. And so we're going to be ordering by that particular rank column. But to actually populate the ranks themselves, you have to use the dense rank function here, and this is just going to be over the order by of the particular score. But once again, we want to do this in descending order. So that looks good. Let's go ahead and run it. And success. Yeah, so that's today's problem. I hope it helped, and good luck with the rest of your practice. Thanks for watching.